चार चक्री योग असा.
म्हणजे गुरुजी
नवी गाडी येता.
गाडी
गुरुजी गुरुजी मुजळ्यात पळय आम्ही.
बरे म्हणता थंड वातावरणाची संभावना असा.
म्हणजे एसी.
स्मार्ट गेम.
गुरुजी गुरुजी बाबूलोय हात पळया न्ही.
वर्क फ्रॉम.
गुरुजी गाडी जाली एसी जालो आता बरे कितें सांगता जाल्यारूच हात दाखयता.
म्हणजे
भांगर
भांगरा वालोर भुरगी बुजून जाणा. सो इन्वेस्ट इन गोल्ड अँड मेक अ स्मार्ट चॉईस.
ओनली एट उल्हास ज्वेलर्स.
Frmr DIG of Goa, Bosco George, IPS, asked and cautioned crime reporters to first confirm any information with the police and other authorities before going ahead and publishing a story, especially those which were sensitive, such as those related to crimes against women. He also asked reporters that in order to do justice to a story as well as the victims involved, a moral opinion shouldn't be a part of the coverage. He was speaking as a resource person at a workshop organized by the Goa Union of Journalists on the theme Crime Reporting, Getting It Right.
Verified facts. Whenever a thing comes, whenever a scene, please get it from the horse's mouth. That is the police. Nowadays, I don't know if there is a proper system of communication between the press or whether it is the same. But when you get something which the police have not, my one suggestion is confirm with them. Ask them, this is what we have got. What have you to say? If he refuses to say, then yes, please publish it. If he gives an explanation, say this is what the police have explained. But it doesn't tally with what things are happening. Then you are making sense. You are doing justice to this. Next, don't try and moralize. Okay, this guy, the girl has, a girl has been sexually assaulted, say 2 o'clock at night. Don't be moralizing that girls should not roam at night and all. That's not your concern. This has happened. People who are responsible need to be answerable for these things. Because who are you to moralize on that? That is on them. She may have initiated, even if she has gone for a night out or she is working, you do not know the facts. There are many times, the situations in which a person has to work are much, much different. But let us not form an opinion and give an opinion and make it a sort of thing in the newspaper so that everyone casts some aspersions on her. It is also very important that you withhold. See, sometimes you all will also know that during the 9/11 incident that took place, facts were being reported from the ground, which became sort of information to the enemies of our country. So sometimes you need to say, okay, I know these facts. And you need to inform the concerned authority that these things are coming out. Please take caution because otherwise it is going to be harmful to the country. That's when you act responsible as a journalist. Because the press should not be only grabbing headlines or trying to raise the TRP. What is important that we need to see at the end of the day, are we doing some justice to the victim of these things? Forget the police, forget the authorities. It is most important to see that the victim is.
Like, subscribe, and get notified.
अरे वा, आता हाजे किती घेतली तू आई?
म्हाका मरे
आई आम्ही नवीन टीव्ही घेऊया. मग तुका जाय तितली तू सिरियलां पळय.
तिका काय तुक ग? आई एक बरो आयफोन घेऊया. हरशी आल्यार तिका रील पळोवपाक आवडटा न्ही.
तिका का तुका रे रीला पळोवपाची ती?
आता तुका झगडी करपाक जाय.
टीव्हीच घेऊया.
सांगलं पण आयफोन घेऊया.
काहीच गरज ना. टीव्हीच घेऊया. ना, हांवें सांगलें एकदा टीव्ही.
ओगी रावा मातशी. आजे तुका आम्ही दात घालूया भांगराचे.
They call me Aji Boom Boom.
भांगरा वालोर भुरगीं पसून जाणा. So invest in gold and make a smart choice.
Only at Ullas Jewelers.